Hey guys, for this video we're going to check out this Red Tiger dash cam by taking a little cruise in the 66 Caprice. Red Tiger was nice enough to send me this for free so I can make this video showing it to you. Really liking this dash cam. We have 4K front and rear facing cameras. See, it has Wi-Fi, 5.8 gigahertz, built-in GPS, also built-in 128 gigabytes. You don't have to worry about a separate micro SD card, although you can use a separate SD card if you prefer. This camera also has a touch screen and voice control. You can tell it to lock a file if something happened in front of you that you want to make sure you didn't lose the video for, or if you want it to take a picture, just tell it take a picture and it will save it for you. Also, you can connect it to their app so you can view your files and the camera. Here's our main forward-facing camera. You see we got a nice big touch screen on it there. On this side, it's just a plain peel and stick to get it on our windshield. Got a couple of buttons there and the QR code there and a micro SD, which I inserted, so be nice and easy for us to show you some footage. We got our test installation all set up. There's two USB-Cs at the top for the rear camera and for the power. Now, when you do your actual installation, even though this is from 1966, it's going to be the same in modern cars. You're going to run your cord along the roof rail, down the pillar. I actually usually like to go to the passenger side, but you run it under here over to wherever your power is. You can see my outlet right there. The back is going to run much the same way. You can run it up to the ceiling there, along the roof rail, all the way back up to the front. I put it just right in the middle, so it'd be nice for us. You can put it off to a corner or something so it's not as obvious in your rear view mirror. Now we'll go for a ride in 1 second. I want to show you some of the settings. You can change the resolution. You can turn the resolution down if you want to have more card space and more files fit on it. We can turn the sound recording on and off, loop recording. We can adjust the G sensor, so that's if you slam on your brakes, it'll automatically lock a file so it doesn't overwrite it. The idea is if you get in an accident or something, it'll save that file, or if something runs out in front of you, whatever it is. So you can change the sensitivity or turn that off completely. You have your Wi-Fi. We can turn off the tone when you click things on the touchscreen, which I already did that. And then we can, let's go to the next page. Has built-in GPS. You can turn the date and time stamp off. You can have a speed stamp and even a GPS stamp. Make sure to make your units miles or whatever you need. You can change the time zone. Remember to format an SD card if you are using one. And it gives you the app information. And here you can see the main screen is showing my hood up. And then we have the rear view camera over in the corner up here. Now you notice everything goes away as far as the text if you're just looking at it. I have it set just to look out the back. You could pretty much use this as a rear view mirror, rear facing camera as your rear view mirror. And if we swipe, we can change what camera we're looking at. So you see now we just have the front. We have a mixture of the two. And this little car icon at the bottom shows us what we're looking at. Or we can just have it display the date and time. All right, it's time to go for a ride, see what we think of this. It's time to cruise, boys. The rest of the video will be clips directly from the Red Tiger dash cam, so you get an idea of the quality of video that you should expect. I think as you watch these, you'll be pretty impressed with the quality that you're getting out of these things, both the front and rear being 4K. You don't get that too often, so a nice high quality dash cam. Check them out. Thanks for watching.